Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I will show you how to boot this device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key, from there select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time, and you will hold them till you see the ULEFONE logo on the screen. Yep, there we go. Once you see it, let go. And this should take us now to the recovery mode. And there we go. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. So volume down goes down and up goes up. And then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And options here are, well, Reboot System now, which will basically let us leave this mode and go back to Android. Reboot to Bootloader, which, well, boots us to Bootloader or fast boot mode, depending on what they decided to put under there. Apply updates from either ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, along with power off the device. So because I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select Reboot System now. And this will basically take us back to Android now. And there we go, as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.